Elon Musk at WeRobot 2025. Physical AI is the next big thing. The atmosphere at WeRobot 2025 was electric as Elon Musk took the stage, greeted by a packed audience eager to hear his latest insights into the future of robotics. Known for delivering transformative ideas, Musk presented what he described as the next chapter of robotics, a world where robots and humans work together seamlessly. Musk showcased the Tesla bot's latest iteration, highlighting significant advancements in mobility, dexterity, and energy efficiency. During the demonstration, the robot performed tasks such as navigating obstacles, organizing logistics, and simulating basic household activities. Musk emphasized that the Tesla bot is not about replacing humans, but about supporting them by handling repetitive and hazardous tasks. "We're designing robots to empower people, enabling them to focus on creativity and problem solving," he said. Beyond the technical capabilities of Tesla bot, Musk underscored the importance of collaboration in building a future driven by robotics. He advocated for global safety standards to regulate AI and robotics, addressing growing concerns around governance and ethics. "Trust is fundamental to adoption, and safety is the foundation of trust," Musk remarked, pointing to Tesla's dedication to ethical AI development. Elon Musk's keynote highlighted what he called the era of physical AI. This transformative approach integrates robotics into daily life, moving beyond industrial automation to systems capable of both physical and cognitive tasks. The Tesla bot, powered by Tesla's Dojo supercomputer, is central to this vision. Musk explained how Dojo's advanced processing capabilities allow the bot to process vast amounts of real-time data, enabling it to adapt to dynamic environments. He described applications ranging from logistics to caregiving, where robots could assist with tasks like inventory management, elder support, and even precision-based operations in factories. Tesla Bot's 2025 version also showcased improvements in energy efficiency and mobility. During the live demo, the robot demonstrated its ability to recover from unexpected movements, such as slipping or being bumped. These advancements result from Tesla's extensive simulation training and real-world data collected from its AI-driven systems. Musk emphasized Tesla's ethical approach to robotics, focusing on safety and reliability. "We aim to create robots that complement human capabilities and improve quality of life," he noted. Musk made three major announcements during his presentation, each offering a glimpse into the future of robotics and AI. Musk showcased the Tesla bot's newest capabilities, focusing on its adaptability and efficiency. It performed tasks like climbing stairs, assembling components, and navigating uneven surfaces. "These advancements are more than incremental, they're transformative," Musk explained, positioning the Tesla bot as a tool ready for real-world deployment. Musk discussed Neuralink's potential in robotics, describing scenarios where humans could use brain signals to control robots in tasks requiring extreme precision. While he acknowledged that direct integration between Neuralink and Tesla bot remains speculative, Musk emphasized the potential for future human-machine collaboration. Musk detailed how Tesla bots could address critical challenges, from reducing workplace injuries to alleviating labor shortages in high-risk jobs. He shared plans to pilot the bots in Tesla's own factories, providing rigorous testing in controlled real-world environments. Musk outlined his vision for democratizing robotics, making them accessible not just to corporations, but also to small businesses and individuals. He emphasized affordability, sharing that Tesla aims to lower costs significantly over time to make robots as commonplace as smartphones. He also explored the societal implications of robotics. In manufacturing, Tesla bots could optimize production while reducing risks to human workers. In caregiving, robots could provide support for aging populations. Musk proposed that robots could even help build sustainable urban infrastructure at a faster and more affordable pace. Ethical considerations were a recurring theme in Musk's address. He stressed the importance of international collaboration and regulatory oversight to ensure AI benefits humanity. "Our responsibility is to create tools that empower society, not harm it," he said. Controversy and concerns. Musk acknowledged the potential risks of robotics, including job displacement and data privacy concerns. He argued that while robots may take on repetitive tasks, they will also create new opportunities for humans to focus on creativity and innovation. Data privacy was another key concern. Musk reassured the audience that Tesla prioritizes transparency and security, implementing measures to protect the vast data Tesla bots rely on to operate. He also addressed ethical concerns, advocating for strict regulations to prevent misuse, particularly in surveillance or military applications. Elon Musk's keynote underscored how robotics and AI can reshape industries, economies, and daily life. By integrating Tesla Bot into sectors like manufacturing, caregiving, and disaster response, Tesla is setting the stage for a new era of collaboration between humans and machines. This presentation reinforced Tesla's leadership in advancing ethical AI and robotics, while addressing societal challenges like labor shortages and safety risks. Musk's emphasis on affordability and scalability makes his vision all the more impactful, promising widespread accessibility. As Elon Musk's groundbreaking vision for robotics unfolds, it's clear that we are standing at the edge of a new era. The advancements revealed at WeRobot 2025 are more than technological. They're a glimpse into how AI and robotics will reshape industries, economies, and daily life. At the AI Watchmen, we're committed to keeping you informed and engaged with these transformative developments. So what's next? The Tesla bot, Neuralink, and Musk's focus on physical AI are just the beginning. We'll be here to break down the complexities, spotlight the innovations, and explore the questions that matter, like how these advancements will impact jobs, ethics, and the way we live. Subscribe to the AI Watchmen for exclusive insights into the latest in AI and robotics. Hit the like button if you're excited about the future Musk is building. Join the conversation. What do you think about Tesla bots and physical AI? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay vigilant with the AI Watchmen, and together, let's explore what's next for humanity and technology.